you want to know how to be a quality queen? Well, girl, stay tuned because you are on the right path. In this video, I'm going to be giving you simple tips and tricks on how to be a quality
Queens don't hate, queens don't fight, queens don't stay unless their king treats her right. Oh, every jewel on my crown.
Hi, my name is Tia Talita Blue and welcome to my channel. On this channel, we empower, inspire, motivate, and uplift one another to level up, value ourselves, be productive in the society, and chase our dreams. As you can see from the title, this video is all about how to be a quality queen. So let's jump right into it, girl. I kind of divided this topic into 3 sections: physically, emotionally, and spiritually. How to be a quality queen. For today's video, we're going to focus more on the physical aspect. The physical aspect has to do with your looks, your appearance, right? Whether you are fat, you are slim, you are tall, you're short, it doesn't matter, you know. Just love yourself and study your body. Know what works for you, what doesn't work for you. You can be someone else, so don't allow someone else to talk dirty about you and make you feel somehow about yourself, girl. First of all, not every trend is for everyone. What works for me is not going to work for you because we have our different body types. I know my body type. I know what I can wear. And there are just certain trends I can swear by I'm not wearing. Like, it's not getting on my body. You got to put your time, put effort in what you wear, you understand? Don't go about wearing something baggy or something so tight because it shows, sis, it shows. If you wear something very tight, thinking that nobody's going to see it, you're just going to slide through. No, no, no. We are watching. Though you are not living your life to please anyone, but it's a no-no in order to be a quality queen.
No.
You gotta invest in a statement scent. Smelling good is key. Your mouth needs to smell good. Your body needs to smell good. If you don't like the spray kind of thing, invest in some good quality body oil. You can get you a splash. If you feel getting a statement scent is too expensive and you own a budget, you can get a perfume that works for you. It doesn't matter what kind, what type. What works for you is okay. Your hair, girl. Your hair is your crown. You are a queen. And being a queen, you're not even supposed to allow your crown to slack an inch, sis. Nowadays, we have a lot of different things for hair, different products. You can get you a wig, you can get you weaves, you can get you some bundles. If you're doing your natural hair, let it pop. Make sure you wash your hair, you shampoo your hair, you deep conditioner your hair. You know, you want that hair, that crown to be sleek and be smelling fresh and cute. So being a quality queen, you got to invest in yourself. Invest time, put time and effort. Your nails. You can get your nails done. You go to the salon. You're going to get your nails done. If it's too expensive, if you own a budget, also, you can get you whatever color you like, whatever color nail polish you like, and do your nails. If you also don't have the time to do that, sometimes I don't have the time to do mine, but I keep it clean, I keep my nails well groomed. And sis, you can do the same. Your makeup. Your makeup. If you are a fan of big makeup, go for it, sis. Do you. Like, rock your face. You are pretty. You are a woman of valor. Why not show it? Let it show on your face. If it's for you to do glitter, girl, pop on. Like me, I'm not a big fan of makeup. Like right now, I'm the only thing I did was I popped my lashes and I put some eyeliner. That's all. and I'm here. I look good, right? So if you're not a big fan of makeup, what I'm trying to say is do the minimum. Cleaning your face is very important. You gotta stay hydrated. You gotta moisturize your face. You know, you're not just going to leave your face. You gotta exfoliate your face. There are a whole lot of things, and I'm going to address that in another video. But there are a lot of things you can do to keep your face popping, especially during the summer. For me, I don't wear makeup. This is my big makeup right here, because I am not a fan of makeup, and I don't want to go in the street feeling hot already and then I have to deal with something on my face. No, I don't feel comfortable. So if you are like me, sis, take care of your skin. Get you some good skin products. But if you also love to make up, girl, it's cool. Do your thing. Do you. Be yourself. The more put together you look, the more respect you're going to get out there. People are going to value you because deep down within them, they're going to know, oh yeah, she values herself. She cares so much for herself. She loves herself. You never know who's watching. The way you think about yourself is the kind of vibe you are going to put out. And the kind of vibe you put out, sis, it's the kind of person you're going to attract. So we all just need to level up around here. I'm even saying this to myself because sometimes I'm so tired. I'm weak. But whatsoever vibe you put out is the kind of person or the kind of people, the kind of friends you are going to attract. And you know, confidence is the new sexy. We all have those lazy days when you just want to be home in your PJs or with nothing on. Even if you're going out, you just want to be in some kind of leggings and just be free. You don't want anything to bother you. We all have those lazy days. Let me just remain in my PJs and just run down the street. Excuse me. That's the time you're going to bump into a friend, old friend. You know, somebody who expects. You'll be looking for somewhere to hide. That's when you are going to meet an ex. Somebody you know you want to bullshit before, right? Somebody you don't even want to see your downside. That's when you're going to, that person is just going to pop up out of the blue, sis. You're not going to turn back the hands of time. It has already happened. Maybe you're going to meet that random guy in the mall or somewhere. First impression counts. Being a quality queen, you don't frown your face. You gotta keep that smile, sis. You gotta learn how to smile with your eyes so that it looks genuine, you know? You know? Your posture is one thing. Being a quality queen, you just don't sit anyhow. You just don't stand anyhow. It's like, you gotta be so soft. You gotta be feminine. Sis, what are you doing? The way you walk. The way you walk. A queen, a quality queen, doesn't walk anyhow. That's just the fact. Love yourself. Love yourself. There's no way I can even explain this part. Love yourself. Sometimes we spend more time loving other people than the way we love ourselves. We don't give ourselves the kind of attention we give to other people. You deserve your love. You deserve your care. You deserve your concern. Love yourself Take yourself on dates. Believe in yourself. Believe that you are destined for greatness. Have a positive thinking. Get away from all negative people. Know your worth. Know your worth, sis. You are pretty. You are well put together. Know your worth. Don't settle for less. Don't settle for less, sis. And be happy. Be happy. Always be happy. Thank you so much for taking upon your time to watch this video. I love you so much. My next video is going to be about how to be a quality queen emotionally. That's a whole lot of vibes, sis. How to be a queen emotionally. That's going to be our next video. If you loved and enjoyed this video, please like this video, share this video, and leave a comment down in the comment section so that we can all share our ideas and thoughts. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video.